my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. So I decided to make more videos about accessories for makers. It doesn't matter what you do, knitting, crocheting, or weaving, whatever it is, but we all need a bag to carry our work or to keep it organized. And I'm a little bit obsessive about accessories for knitting, as pretty much as about yarn. And I just thought like maybe I'll make a few videos to show what I have and why I love it or why I'm not loving it so much. So, and you can make your own decision just in case if you wanted to purchase one of them. So I want to start it with the company you maybe heard of is Bien Aimée. So besides making gorgeous yarn, they also make a very unique and very practical and beautiful project bags. So I have a few of them and I thought I'm gonna show it to you. I didn't purchase it at once, so it was through several years. So, but you can kind of decide if you like it or not like it, if you ever come across of that and thought, should I get it or not? So I want to start with the yellow one right here. So yellow and pink, mostly yellow with a pink kind of like a highlight is a signature color of Bien Aimée. And I love it because you don't see that much of a good quality, kind of good solid yellow out there. So I just love it that they have it. And it's instantly cheer you up. So when they came up with this bag, and it comes like they also have a pink stripe one, I thought, okay, I have to have it. So I decided to go with the yellow. So it made of canvas and it's got stripes, of course, black logo on the top. It's got short handles here and longer one in case if you want to carry it around your shoulder or maybe even as a kind of large crossbody. It's got piping, hot pink piping that goes on the sides and around the bottom. So it's actually like really generous inside and it doesn't squish your work. So which I love. So here's a snap and it's not lined, but I think it's perfect because to me it's more like a summer bag and that's how, it's perfect that it's not lined, but it's finished. So all the seams are covered. And they also have a one zipper pouch inside, not pouch, but it's a pocket attached inside. So I have actually like my new project here. It's a blanket. So this is definitely big enough to carry a blanket or large sweater or maybe several projects. So love it. And I used it a lot actually in the summer. So, but I thought, okay, since I have this, I also have to carry little things in my bag. And like needles and scissors and tape measure, whatever. So I thought this little guy is perfect to go inside there. So it's heavy canvas, logo here, zipper, and it's very generous inside. I don't use it as a project bag because I don't like my yarn to be squashed, but I use it for scissors and needles and so on. So it goes right here. So it goes inside this little bag here. And I also got, just in case if you want to carry a second project, smaller one, and of course you need a separate bag for that. So they have this kind of classic yellow cotton with a print and it's perfect for smaller like a sock or hat project. And of course I have here Bien Aimée yarn, that perfect combination of a yellow and hot pink, and I use it inside this bag as well, or you can put it in any bag. So I love those. And I also have the black and gold collection. So I call it black and gold. So and it is a collection because it's a few of them. So it's this one here. It's the largest one. And it's a little heavier because it's lined and it's got pockets inside. And it's a very high quality canvas. And I had it for several years and nothing happens to it. It's just perfect. Occasionally I just brush off the fiber from top of it. It's got piping, so it's structured. And also the opening in a handle big enough so you can carry it actually as a shoulder bag. And it's very convenient if you go to any fiber festival, because it's big enough to carry your project and whatever you buy after you're done shopping. So it all goes in there. And of course, you look very stylish and cool because you're carrying a Bien Aimée bag. But what inside of this project bag is actually another project bag. And this one is, I love, because it's actually big enough to carry like generous size of shawl, or I don't know, a sweater, baby blanket, maybe not a full blanket. It's got a bottom which is wide enough not to squish your work too much. It's got the same high quality canvas, but it's very kind of like, I think it's a cotton. It feels good. It just feels wonderful. It doesn't feel icky. And inside, I love it because it's yellow, so you can see everything inside and see how generously sized it is. And also, it's got the pockets, and inside the pocket, you can put another golden yellow or golden black bag. And this one I use for my scissors and all kind of like smaller things, not as a project bag, but it goes here. And it, I think it designed so that it goes perfectly in one of the pockets here. And in another pocket, it goes another Le Bien Aimée accessory. And this is genuine leather. And it comes in black and natural. So I got the natural and I already have a video on it. Because I just love it. And it just the feel of it's so beautiful. And here I carry other things. And this is my stitch markers here and some of the needles and so on. So everything has a place, and it's not like it's a, you know, sometimes you have a big bag and it's just a mess inside. So it's so well organized. And I honestly need all three of them, those three black ones. And it's perfect for fall. So fall and winter. Also, I like to organize my projects by kind of like ambient, kind of feel of the project I'm working on plus bag. So I like when it kind of from the same kind of like a style and a mood. So like if I'm working on something very wintry, I probably not gonna put it inside here just because for me it's much more heavier piece, but I'll use this. But that's why I like to have variety. So so I don't know, I'm gonna make more of those videos in the future because I just, you know, it's I'm passionate about it. So and more videos about project bags coming on. So I'll see you soon. Bye.